Top 5 Luxury Beauty Must-Haves in 2025. Are you searching for that one luxury skincare or fragrance product that actually lives up to the hype? In today's video, we're diving into 5 of the most sought-after beauty items of 2025, from iconic perfumes to high-performance moisturizers. Whether you're aiming to elevate your self-care routine or find the perfect gift, these products are the real deal. And just a quick heads up, if any of these catch your eye, consider purchasing through the Amazon affiliate links in the description. It's a free way to support the channel while treating yourself to something amazing. Baccarat Rouge 540, the ultimate signature scent. Let's start with the fragrance that's become nothing short of legendary. Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This luxurious perfume is known for its bold, woody floral scent with rich amber and saffron notes that practically announce your presence before you speak. It's intoxicating, long-lasting, and completely unisex, which makes it incredibly versatile. But here's the catch. It's expensive, and because it's become so popular, it's lost a bit of that exclusivity for some people. Still, if you want a scent that turns heads and lingers all day, Baccarat Rouge is a showstopper. Tom Ford Rose Prick, the floral with an edge. Next up is Tom Ford's Rose Prick Eau de Parfum, a luxurious twist on the traditional rose scent. This one's not your grandmother's floral. It's spicy, slightly dark, and full of character. The bottle alone screams high-end, and the fragrance itself has that signature Tom Ford depth. However, while the scent profile is stunning, its longevity doesn't quite match its price tag for some users. If you're looking for a sultry floral with sophistication and bite, Rose Prick is an elegant pick, but maybe save it for special occasions. Clé de Peau Beauté Radiant Multi-Repair Oil, luxury in a bottle. If skincare is more your speed, Clé de Peau Beauté's Radiant Multi-Repair Oil might be your holy grail. It's a multitasking face oil that delivers intense hydration and a noticeable glow, making it perfect for dry or mature skin. With vitamin A-rich ingredients and silky texture, it feels every bit as luxurious as it looks. That said, it's not for everyone, especially those with oily or acne-prone skin. And yes, the price is steep, but if you want a product that doubles as skincare and indulgence, this oil fits the bill beautifully. OneSkin Peptide Topical Supplement. Science meets skincare. Now let's talk about something a little more science-driven. The OneSkin Peptide Topical Supplement. Designed to improve skin longevity at a cellular level. This moisturizer/serum hybrid is lightweight, fast-absorbing, and fragrance-free, making it great for daily use. Users rave about its anti-aging potential, but it's definitely a slow burn. Don't expect dramatic changes overnight. It also comes at a premium price, but if you're in it for the long haul, this might be the most forward-thinking skincare product in your routine. Skin Longevity Age Reversal Moisturizer, your daily defense. Last but not least is the Skin Longevity Age Reversal Moisturizer, a powerhouse anti-aging product that hydrates without being heavy. It's been formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines, even skin tone, and boost firmness, all while working well under makeup. The texture is light yet effective, and most skin types will love how it feels. The only real downside? It's not the richest night cream, and its light scent may not be for everyone. Still, it's an excellent everyday moisturizer for anyone serious about skincare. So there you have it. 5 standout luxury beauty products that deliver on quality, performance, and prestige. Whether you're investing in a signature scent or upgrading your skincare regimen, each of these offers something truly unique. And again, if you're ready to treat yourself, don't forget to check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. It's a small gesture that helps support the channel and lets us keep making content like this for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which product you'd love to try next.